2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Really nice car, 2.0. Turbo. Got factory converter up here. Then it's got a secondary converter there. Then what we got done on it, it's California edition, is put a vibrant. Part number VIB 1793 right there, as you guys can see. There's the vibrant muffler or resonator, whatever you want to call it. Then we put a custom white pipe right there and dualed it out the back, there and there, into quad tips, black roll, there and there. Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0 turbo. There's the muffler we cut off. That's how it comes, single in, dual out off the side. So you have to cut it all the way back and do what you have to do. And there's the stock tips right there. And this is what it looks like after. A lot prettier, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Stick shift or auto? What do you think? Is that what you were looking for? All right. Oh yeah, you can hear the turbo now. It sounds so good. There's sound decibels. Again? Right at 99, almost 100. It's probably louder when you get on it though. Let us know. I like it. It's deep. That vibrant makes it really deep. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ya está grabado. Oh, está grabado también.